Well, you caught me in deep thought here. On another video that we did, we created quite a stir, a debate about whether upholsterers know anything about cats. I'm sure some know more than others, but I will tell you, I've seen a lot of cat damage. And so I was looking through this book, and the question that I'm thinking to myself is, what's the best fabric against cats with big claws, especially? I would advise you, beware of feral cats. If you find a feral cat, I don't think anything's going to help with a feral cat. They can go through almost anything, that's my opinion, only. But let's talk about the normal domesticated house cat. As a matter of fact, where's the kitty? Oh, I can't find the cat. The cat decided to disappear just when we want him on film. But anyhow, I'm looking at my book here. I'm trying to figure out, when a customer comes in, actually, they ask these questions. What's the best fabric against cat scratching? So customers have told me they've tried everything. They've tried tin foil on the edges of the sofa, a brand new sofa or a chair that they either have upholstered through me or they purchase. And they've tried, I don't like the squirt bottle thing. I don't think that's a good idea at all. You don't want to be cruel, obviously. So maybe the solution is the fabric. So here it is. Here's my opinion as a professional upholsterer. I've seen a lot of cat damage in my time. We won't get into dogs right now. That's a whole different subject. But I think what cats, in my experience, when cats, with their claws, what they like to do is they like to go in, and then the good part from a cat standpoint is when they're pulling out. It's the pulling out that they get a kick out of, or that they're sharpening their claws, or that they're just feeling good. So I think my theory is if the cat can't puncture the fabric from the very first time that chair sofa is in the house, that's the key. So what you look for is very important is the double rub, the double rub test. Okay, you're looking for a heavy duty fabric with very tight weave. Thickness has nothing to do with it. For instance, the worst case, and the most lovely fabric for a cat would be a Haitian cotton, which is pretty much just yarns going one way and the threads going the other. And you can hold it up to the light and you can actually see through it. You can actually see squares. So the cat easily goes into that, grabs hold in the back. I mean, you can almost understand why a cat would love that. And then pull and pull. I've seen cats with all fours on a chair, and just they're having a great time and they're pulling back. So look for the really good double rub test, and anything over, I would say 20,000 double rubs is good. But we have fabrics that are industrial, commercial use, that are 100,000 double rub. Doesn't matter how thick they are. Again, I can't say that enough. People think thickness, they associate that with durability. Not so. So a cat can't get its claws through. I think that's key. I really do. So I hope this helped. I'm not calling myself an expert. I'm just an upholsterer.